Hi everyone, this is Miss Erin, a Kid Smart teaching artist. Today we're going to do something really fun and we are going to make ice cream cones. I don't know about you guys, but my favorite ice cream place is closed right now, so all I can do is think about it. So what I want you guys to do with me is we're both going to think about what our favorite ice cream flavors are. Now, let me think. Mine are mint chocolate chip and strawberry ice cream. I love those kinds. So, what you will need for this is you will need a piece of paper, a pencil or a marker, and some crayons or colored pencils, whatever drawing supplies you have, go for it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw this basic outline. So you're going to draw one big triangle and then a couple of like humps on top of it for the ice cream, okay? The second thing that you're going to do is you're going to add little waves to the bottom of your ice cream scoops like it was actual ice cream scooped out of the place that you love the most. And then you're going to put some cross hatches on the bottom of your cone. The third thing you're going to do is you're going to pick out all the colors that you need to make your ice cream the way you want it. And you're going to fill in all of your ice cream, okay? And I want you to take your time and make it look nice. And if there's chunks of strawberry or chunks of nuts or chocolate, you got to put that in there. And then if you want to, you can also put a cherry on top or whipped cream or chocolate sauce or syrup, and you can have it drip down the sides, okay? The last thing that you're going to do is you are going to color in your background. And what I want you to do is take your time and go side to side all the way down so it's even and nice, okay? I want y'all to try that for your ice cream. I have finished one over here and I'm going to show you guys so that you can see what the finished product can look like, okay? That's my strawberry ice cream and my chocolate chip ice cream and a cherry on top. Bye, you guys. Hope you guys have fun creating ice cream cones.